guys, welcome to a brand new YouTube video. I haven't made one in a while. If my sister finds out that I took her helium, just like that. Here they come in to rage at me.
Jackass!
What?
Why would you do that?
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, what did we tell you about that? Where is it?
I don't have it.
Give it to me.
I don't have it.
Knock it off. Where's the rest of it?
I took it all.
You sucked the whole thing?
Yes, sir.
That will kill you, you dumbass! The hell is wrong with you?
Alright guys, so we took fireworks out of here, put them in a bottle, and we're probably going to go make them explode. Alright, so this one's been a dud. We're going to keep trying though. Turn your light off. Oh, fuck me! So the first one didn't work, but we're making another one. Don't stress. Alright, so we made a new one with a lot more, so we're gonna see how it works. Alright, light those two. It's fucking lit. It keeps going, bro. Shit. No, we won't fucking stop. Come on. Let's start walking.
CO2.
Oh shit.
Well, you need to go watch the news, niggas know we be dropping shit. Got the feds on my ass in the hood, cause they think I'm the one who been bearing the blocks and shit.
So guys, I'm gonna be trying to record a lot more. Like, I'm working on the video, like I'm editing it right now, as like this is what you're watching. I'm editing it right now, but I'm gonna try and get out a lot more videos. Like, I need to start recording a lot more. So yeah, I'm gonna just be like I'm kinda going on my grind, you know? So that sounds so fucking cringy. But yeah, I'm basically just gonna like try and just do my best.
1, 2, 3, yeah! You is a lie, you is not cut from these sides.